Okay, welcome back to our channel. This video in this video we'll be replacing the logic board. We have already removed it. If you missed that video, you can go back to the link that is in this video, and you'll find how to remove the logic board. All right, with the logic board removed from the A2338 MacBook A2338, you now have access to the fan. So if you hear your fan making grinding noises or a loud chirpings, this is where you would come, take it off. This is one of the screws to it. This is another one, and this is the third one. So you pull these three screws and take the fan out. And if you find that your MacBook is overheating, one of the places you want to check for dust and all sort of hair and stuff is right in this place. You want to clean it out. You know, this one is clean now, but you'll find a lot of dust in here that would cause the computer not to be cooling down properly. And also in the top portion of it, right in here, you'd find dust and hair, dog hair, cat hair, everything stuck inside here. You want to clean it out. Alright, another thing that you want to take note of with everything removed is the power button. Right here is where the power button is connected to. So if you have problem with your power button and you need to replace it, this is where you would come. You would remove these two screws right here. You would remove this cover right here with these two screws as well, and take this off and just take the cable from underneath it. Right around here is a speaker. So again, this is your speaker. One on the left, three screws, 1, 2, 3, and they are T5. And on the right, your speaker around here, you got two screws, 1, 2. Right there, this is the cable that leads from the power button to the main board. Yes, and over here you'll have the data board for the type C connector right here, and you know, this is the cable for the Wi-Fi antenna. Alright, if you want to change your battery at some point, you would remove these two screws to get this top part up, and this battery is let me turn it around. It is glued into it, right? So it's not easily taken up. It's 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3. Right, so in order to get the glue off it, gotta use alcohol. Pour alcohol in the side, just a little, not a lot. Right, so and the alcohol that you're going to use is 99% alcohol. Right, can get it on Amazon. I could send you a link if you ask. Right, so after you put those alcohol underneath it, you want to apply a little heat. You need like a heat gun to heat up the underside of the battery, and be careful at the temperature because you don't want to explode the battery. And if you think maybe it's going to be too challenging for you, you can always take it to a technician to replace this battery for you. Alright, another thing you want to check on in there is like liquid residue, like you see right here, that's liquid residue right here. So you know that this laptop was exposed to liquid, right? So you'd see it settle right here. So possibly it's affected the keyboard, which is right underneath here. And it is recommended, if you ever need to replace the keyboard, it's best if you get the whole palm assembly, the keyboard palm assembly, so it would come with everything that is in here, and possibly the battery as well. Alright, yes, so that's all we should need to know about here. You know that you can do it yourself at home. Alright, so we'll go ahead now and put back our replace the logic board. Alright, you want to get your gloves on. Okay, you're going to be angling sensitive parts. Alright, you're going to have your tool with you, and you're going to put it from the top. Alright, so you turn it on an angle to get it underneath these cables up here, and look at the cables that you're putting it under. Alright, make sure you don't cover anyone. Right, and then again, you don't force it in. Forcing it means you're breaking something, because these parts are very delicate. Yes, so, and as you lay it down, you want to take the cables from underneath it. Alright, then you lay it down flat. Alright, yes, so we have these here. Alright, now that it's flat, you can go ahead and connect back the connectors to the main board. Some you press it down, like this one I press it down, just align it properly, press it down. These ones you gotta push it in, and then close the little flap that is there. I'm gonna give you a closer look at it. So this is a little flap that is here. After you push it in, you push down this little slot right here. Alright, right, and to make it easier, you connect your cables first before you do any screwing. Put in any of the screws, you put your cables in first. You can leave this one out, because you know that this flap right here activate the battery, right? So you can leave this out for the time being. Let it be the last one you do. Alright, so all of our cables are in on the motherboard now, apart from this one. I'm going to put this one in. Right, and cover it over. Alright, all of them in now, so we can go ahead and put the screws on. So we again, wherever we start from to take the screws out, that's where we're going to start from to put them on it. Right, so remember we did this one right here. And these are T5. Yes, these are T5s. So we go ahead and go around this little circle that we have the screws in, this little format, and just put the screws where they belong.